Yo, yo, yo. What up, Code? Let me get this chat open. Good morning, Maria. CT Sharif. Let's go. Code. I chickened out of the breaker block bounce at open. That was a mistake. Trying. I actually locked in a payout with Topstep already. Locked it out. And it's like $880 I'll get from them. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, what up, David? Ali? I'm trying to work on one last payout, actually. I can get a second payout today. I'm just getting my screen set up. There we go. What up? Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Geronimo! What's crack-a-lacking? Just setting up all my stuff. Let's see what we got going on here. I mean, the 5-minute breaker is holding. Under 76, though, it probably flushes out. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a flush out. Under the breaker, under... Kind of risky. Wait. Why the fuck is my Replicanto not working? Bro, my Replicanto is not working. Oh, shit. Ugh. This is supposed to be copy traded. Fuck me, man. I just got to set this up real quick. Yo, what up, Maria? Do you have to journal your trades? The answer is no. I used it at one point. What I do is kind of like a mental journal where, like, say I take a trade and I keep losing in that trade. And I'm like, yo, I took a rejection off the 200 and it failed. And then I tried to do it again. Or I took a 200 bounce and it failed. I took another 200 bounce. It failed. Okay, did it fail because we were just traveling close and then it dropped? Or did we come down a long way? And then, like, if you just realize that that trade isn't working for you, that's what I would journal, not every single trade. I like to look at things like that where I'm like, okay, bounces off the bottom, the top of the orb once you've broken it. Okay, cool. Things like that. I quote unquote journal a back test, but I'm not journaling every trade I take. I know when I do stupid shit. Let's be real. I know when I'm rolling the dice for a gamble. I need like $400 or $300 in this one account I got. What up, DBT? Yeah, I choose like what's not work. I would rather journal what's not working because it's so easy to take trades. Like, I would rather journal what's not working. What up, Dell? Than what's working. Because then I know what not to do. That's where I found my highest level of success. Like, whatever it may be. All seriousness, these fucking breaker blocks, like if you don't need a lot of trades during the day. I'm testing something out. Yo, number one tip, don't come in don't come in and heckle when you're using your real account that has a link to your real estate company. You will get it brought on the stream. That is a fast way to exit the building. Dude, I messaged support last night. I told him I think I said like thanks for coming on the stream or something like that. I'm sure he got it. Oh, I'm sure he got it. He's like, fuck, this guy knows exactly who I am. I should call him up. Yo, what was his name? I think his name was also David. What was his name? Oh, yeah, it was David. I should call him up. What up, David? Yo, why don't we go see some houses today? Can I just get your address, sir? Sure. Cove Trader Stream. Yo, what up, Garen? At least do it. At least fucking be smart and do it from a burner account. Nah, you passed midday, Dell. I passed and they gave me the account same day. I was using Volumetrica though. I don't know what you're using. Man, this looks like one big flag, but I'm just looking at it in the higher time frames. I'm higher time framing it. Yeah, if it's Tradeivate, it could be tomorrow. Yo, poker's always a good time. I want to start doing it more. I feel like everyone enjoys it. Come on. Yo, Monet. What up? What up, BK? Come on. I want to see it get to like 77. Would be a great little. Come on. Yeah. I think the time before that we had 40 something once, and the first time we had like 55. Then we had like 45, and I think we had like 30 something last night. The one we had more people was I had signups for longer. Yo, Speed Racer, you got to email me, dude. You never shot me an old email. Any winners, I will handle it at lunchtime. At lunchtime, I'll handle everything. What up, Massey? I'm waiting for that one more push candle down to get everybody out. Push it like 8 points down from here. Yo, you got second? Got to get your name on the wall, man. You got to get on the wall. Yeah, you wanted 150 minus 100K. No, minus a 125K. Shoot me an email to 25K TPT. It's all good because CT doesn't get paid. Man, I am right there. I'm right there to lock in a $2,000 payout. Right there for $2,000. Oh, this is killing me. I think it's like $200 for a $2,000 payout. Yo, CT's wife got paid. Yo, I pay. You gotta pay. You're an idiot if you don't. Like, why would you just not fucking send somebody the money or the account or whatever the fuck he was doing? Makes no sense. None whatsoever. Trying to get my this is one to me. This is gonna eventually go north. Oh my god, I just fucking ripped that. I just ripped that. I'm so concentrated on this. I'm trying to get I need a little bit more money. Dude, I locked in a payout already, Garrett. I locked in almost $900 from Topstep today. Hey, Hubert. I'd like to lock in this $2,000 payout. That would be fucking money. I'm right there. I am right the fuck there. Actually, let's see how much money I need. Let's see how much money I need. Statistics. I think I need to make $191.80. It's 30% consistency rule. So I do 2,600. No, that's the fine. So I do 952. This is saying I'm going to need 3174 in the account. 3174. I'm going to need $200 from where I'm at. How hard is it to get 10 points? Right? All I need is 10 points, guys. How hard could that be? Tell you what, all we're doing is just going back and forth here. Yo, there you go, Keith. That's solid. You're not going to, I guess, is this where you try shorting up here? Yeah, that's all I need. It's so easy, CT. I say it to myself all the time. Like, it's just so easy. Oh, we're right in this new day opening gap. That's what it was rejecting? Yeah, well, it's hanging out right above the orb, which is usually bullish. If it's just chopping here, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I am just deciding on what I want to do. I need a really good setup to get $200 because I don't want to go from needing 200 to needing 400. I wish I could just send them $200 to give me back 2,000. How nice would that be? Be like, yo, I'll just send you the last $200 and you just send me 2,000 back. Yo, oh, Chad. I mean, I was kind of thinking that, but I don't know. They're starting to make its way out. See, you have this new day opening gap right here. We basically filled the gap. I don't know what. We filled the gap already. Dude, this is going to chop and then go up. Yo, do I do this? Check this out. I buy one contract, right? So I have my drawdown is 25. My drawdown is like $3,000. Do I buy one contract right here long and I either get $200 to the upside or 3,000 to the downside? What comes first? What are the odds? What are the odds? I just hold it the whole day and see what I get first. I either get 3,000 to the downside or I get $200 to the upside. What up, Noel? All right, I just got some more money. I just scalped that. I need 100. What happened when you held the? Oh, it passed the account. That's the second day in a row, Monet, that I did that. 2 days in a row, I held the account over lunch, and I passed both days. One day I got $3,000, and the other day I got whatever was left on that account. You don't have to. What type of account, Maria? Is it like an Apex account? What is it? You can only make half of the full account. So you can only make $1,500 a day. So if you feel the need to stop, you could definitely stop, but you can't go more than 1,500. Yeah. Yo, what up, Corey? Hey, $88 is better than $87. Better than being red. Yeah, you can only get half, Maria. So basically you get 500. You can stop for the day. If you feel like, hey, let me just stop. Feel good about yourself. You know, don't push it just to push it. Yo, we're sweeping Asia high right now. I mean, if you look, this is a great setup. I mean, you break the order block, you come back, you retest the order block, and now we're moving up. That's pretty freaking clean. That's super clean. I stopped playing order block rejections from the downside. That was like one of those things I journaled. Like if we come up here and reject, I just realized I was losing more than I was winning. Or if it rejects very little bit. You know, like something like this. Like you get a small little rejection and then it continues going. I'd rather play the way back in here. Same way in the breaker blocks. I'd rather break it to the downside, then test it, and then go down. Not just play the order blocks. Boom, 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 boom. Man, they pushed the shit out of this thing. If we drop under 43 and come back in the Asia range, I don't know. Right here, you got the in balance right here at 40. Yo, BTC's moving. I want to see it retest here. Get a little retest. Come on, baby. Yo, it's just straight up ripped. You could have been selling the rip. And then talk about your 18th Ferrari. Oh, man. Yo, that happens to me during lunch when I go take a shower. Like I'll eat, like today I got a shower during lunch. I'll come back and they'll just be like a freaking 80-point move in 20 minutes. And I'm like, why? Yo, what up, Lord? Mama Tick in the house. Yo, that dude is a complete tool. I'm glad somebody caught on. Yo, what up, Kron? What up? What up? What up, Lee? Yeah. Guys, check out my 15th Ferrari. Yo. Yo, I'm gonna start doing shit like that. Yo, guys, I'm gonna need you to check out my 8th Yeti cup. This is my 8th Yeti cup. Oh shit. I bought 2 My Funded Futures already hit drawdown. Baba. Degenerate shit as per usual. Do you lose your Yeti cups? Nah, but I drink coffee in the morning. My wife drinks coffee in the morning. She brings a coffee with work. And I'll have, we go through 3 or 4 Yeti cups in a day. No. Rips always talks about his 15th Ferrari or something. So now I'm talking about my 8th Yeti cup. Oh, Sean. Sean's having a good night. Yo, the Yeti cups are disposable. Actually, dude, I've gotten like 5 30 ounces for free through Uline. Those are my iced coffee ones. I mean, obviously, there's no freaking pullback here. I mean, geez. What up? Man, that freaking just went for it. What's up, Miramar? MacDaddy? Yeah, I'm just watching this thing crank. Trying to decide where I want to get in on a pullback.
Yo,
honestly, I would probably want to get in around 41.
What up, Code? Let me get this chat open.
Yeah, buying that packing. Yeah, the packaging.
Good morning, Maria.
Boxes,
CT.
bubble wrap, all that stuff. I got a ton of them.
Sharif.
We gave them a lot.
Let's go.
I take the breaker at open.
Code. I chickened out of the.
No.
Breaker block bounce at open.
You're talking about
That
right
was a
here,
mistake.
right? 313. We broke it. We retested it at like 934 and then out. Nah, it's too good of a setup for me.
Trying.
CT, it was just too good. I was like, nah.
I actually locked in a payout with top.
I'll just skip out.
Step already. Locked it out. And it's like $880,
dude.
I'll get from them.
Yo, it restarted on the so I leave it open on the side because I can't do admin. I can't ban anybody. I can't do any polls. I can't do a lot of things if I don't have it open. So I got to leave the chat open. Yeah, it's kind of stupid like that. I can't do it from Streamlabs. So I leave it open. But boys and girls, we locked in a payout today. 5 days of $200 or more, and I could take half my money out. So whatever half of, what is that, like $881 I'll take out today. It's a pretty good day. What up, John? Man, is this not going to come down? Just tell me. Is this just going to ride this 9 the whole time? You want me to break this? Do it live. Yo, what do you want me to do live, Phoenix? What would you like me to do live? It ran. Yeah, it did because I had to move it. It was spinning. Withdraw it live? I can. I'm not going to be able to withdraw it until after 6 o'clock. But if you withdraw from Topstep, if you know, when you hit the button withdraw, you know all my banking information and address and banking information shows up, right? If you've ever pulled from Topstep, it shows it all on the screen. So I probably cannot withdraw it live, but I can make a video for you. Not that. But yeah, I'll do whatever you want live. I'm open to whatever. I'm open to whatever. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. Yeah, Jaden, it's just we had it. Yeah, I'm not going to do my info. I can make a video of pulling it out and then show you the email I get. I've gotten quite a bit of them. Man, it just ripped. I mean, we talked about it here. It was just consolidating above the top of the orb. Yo, Chad, you want a live video of me pulling out? Yo, what up, Enchanted? Yeah, to the moon, Alice. Dude, that thing just took off. Took off. Come on. We're pretty high. Oh, look at that shit. Did we just fill the gap from... Did we ever fill this gap? Man, that's interesting. That was the gap, the New Day opening gap from yesterday. Went all the way to it and rejected. Apex did not extend. Well, I told everybody. I said, get it while it's hot. Got to get it while it's hot, man. They'll probably come back. I'm sure they're going to come back with something in like a day or two, but it sucks. My Funded Futures deal is still around. Take Profit Trader deal is still around. Those are, honestly, the fucking free reset is pretty legit. That means if you fail, you have another shot of passing it. It's pretty legit. Dude, is this thing going to go higher? Oh, wait, this marks out the opening. I wonder what script I have running that marks this out. Oh, important levels. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about. What are you going to try catching the reversal right here? Jeez. I don't know. I'm just looking to see where we're at on different time frames. Do you dare take it off the 9 right here? Is this an option? I got my finger on the button. Fuck it. Small size it. Come on, baby. Come on. What up now? Yeah, Maria, it's till the end of the week. Till the end of the week. All right. I can live with that. Got about a little more than $100. Oh, Bulenox, is Bulenox worth it? Bulenox is one of those that the accounts are super cheap. So you can test out strategies, you could test out a lot of shit, but the activation fee is expensive. Not only is the activation fee expensive, but you got to get $3,600 to take a payout out. So it's not just expensive, it's also like I have an account right here. I'm going to use it for testing strategy rather than anything else. But testing strategy within the testing strategy, but kind of in a live, in a real environment, not just back testing. I'm going to say
Order filled.
I'm going to put my stop down there. Let's see what happens. What up, Mike? So I only like that. Basically hit here. I'm going to see if it retraces back. This is one of those times I'm just I mean, we might keep following this up, but just one of those times. I got to take the shot. It's kind of bullish here, though. Not going to lie about that. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, baby. Do something. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if it did go make a new high over here. But you're kind of getting bullish consolidation. You want it to drop, though. We get a nice little drop. Come on. You still want to go at 300? I don't know if we're going back to the 300s. You're kind of getting this little bull flag here. It's going to probably fucking go. It's going to go, or you're going to see one big red candle all the way down. That's only if it loses that little area. Otherwise, you're going to get a pop. China! It just doesn't want to do it. Come on. Seems like it's going to be the pivot right here on what it wants to do. Complete breakish structure. Get under 500 and just fucking dump it. Oh, it just manipulated it lower. Look at that shit. You see high a day right now. Watch this. Yeah. I'll be honest with you. Just that sucked all people out, got short, and then they just brought it right back. I think what you're going to get right here is what we got right here. You're going to get a flat top in a range for a little bit, and you're just going to go back and forth a bunch of times. And then eventually you're probably going to push up. That would be my guess on what we're going to see over the next little bit. Break over that, and they're going to just explode it. Right over this, you'll probably catch a bunch of stop losses, and it'll probably go up a bunch. Let's see. A bunch of
Order
look.
filled.
See how it just algos up now? I think I just locked in a fucking $2,000 payout. I got to do the math. $52,982. Yeah, I did. I just locked in $2,000. See, my account says 53,185. I can take out $2,000. I basically was just down $600 in the account, dicking around in all of this. And then I went in like 3 contracts on this pop, and I prayed that it popped. Oh, I'm so fucking done with this account too. It's that Fidias account that I'm never ever going to use again in my life. I will never get another account with them again. But I just add it to another prop firm that I've taken money from. Oh man, I'm leaving up on them too. So I am positive at Fidias, and I'm leaving up a winner. I still have the account after I take money out, so we'll see what happens. I might be able to get another payout. The problem is you can only take payouts once a month between like the 21st and 25th. So like if I don't pass that now and I pass it in like a week from now, I have to wait another month to take a payout. Terrible customer. I'm the worst. I wanted to do that so bad, just get that out of the way. So I'm actually requesting almost $2,900 today. Yeah. That's a good payout. Because like the $800, I'm going to be honest with you, like the $800, it's good, but like that account cost $50. I had to pay like Topstep. I had to pay $150 for the activation fee. So this account at least cost me $200. You know, I blew some Apex accounts. You know, this $880 I'm taking probably covered a lot of Topstep, Apex stuff, and whatnot. Like it kind of keeps it even. When you get hit with $2,000 on top of the 880, that's when you start growing the profits. So, yeah, $2,000 is a good hit. Oh. I'm trying to think if I can take another payout from anybody. This looks like it's just going to go up.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is what I do with these Bulenox accounts. They're $15, and I'm either going to pass them or not. Of course, as soon as I get in, the trend changes. Take Profit Trader. I can definitely do Take Profit Trader. But that was what I set out to do today, was to get payouts from those two companies. So I completed what I wanted to do. What up, Nazik? No emotional attachment to a $15 eval. No. No. None whatsoever. I don't know. They're not like, it's not like a big deal to me. I feel good that I just got paid. Oh, but yeah, that's solid. Now I got to start working up some more accounts, though, some of these other ones. See, this is when I wish I was copy trading, though. Like this whole consolidation, I should have just been buying near the bottom of the orb. Yo, what up, Josh? Josh, I owe you at lunchtime. When I get off the stream at lunch, I owe you. I'm handling it all in 35 minutes. Actually, let me see. Maybe I could do it right now. Actually, no, yours is easy. Yours is super easy. Am I missing something, Josh? Did you not send me your thing? Oh, I see it now. I see it now, dude. I'll hit you up right now. Oh my God. By the way, Josh, I hooked you up at the full thing, dude. All good. Yo, Josh didn't win. He beat them all off. Yo, you can't vote people off on poker. You got to beat them off. And Josh beat every single one of them off. Oh, man. CT got his. Dude, what is it? What? I don't get why it's such a... Kind of just seems like we're going to be grinding up. Dun, dun, dun. I feel like we're going to hold 500 is what I feel like it's going to be. Yo, what up, Ivan? Climb back to even after 2K loss, all from the phone app. Yo, you guys are crazy on the phone app. Bro. The phone app? I don't know how you guys do that shit. Yo, what up, Victor? Eminem's in here. What up, Jerry? Bro. Sean, what up? You want to dump to 450s? I mean, yo, I can't trade off the app ever. Ever, ever. I mean, if we pull back, I would love to hit the top of this 60-minute, the initial imbalance. Yo, all of a sudden it just decided to get super slow. You kind of got a shoulder, head, and shoulder here. I'm not even going to lie. It definitely looks head and shoulder-ish. Oh, this account. There's no stop on this account. Is it just going to give it up? This account's smoked. Done. Oh, it's holding on by a thread. I thought we would at least get a bounce back up to here. Jeez. What up, Kevin? Kaba. Smoked. It's still hanging. Dude, they just squeezed it up, man. I just don't understand because, like, the market just needs a dip and it just doesn't stop. It just hasn't stopped running. Just hasn't stopped running. It's freaking crazy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Give us that freaking big old. Yo, you hear Diddy? Diddy's the size of a Tootsie Roll. That was on the front page of Yahoo. Or I saw that on Twitter. One of the defendants said that. Why they were on the stand. trial's starting to really heat up. Oh, come on, baby. Keep pushing. 1. I don't know. It's been open for like 15 minutes. Were you on the chat? Were you on the stream for the last 15 minutes? Deba? Yo, Jim Blab. Yo. I'm sure you're. Yo. Yo, ain't no party like a Diddy party. All right, I got my drawdown up a little bit. Dude, you guys are absolutely killing me. You got 30 seconds. It's open. 30 seconds. This stops everybody from just signing in with multiple names or anything like that. Lemonade took a hit today. I don't even look, Josh. So serious, I don't even look. I just look at some of the fundamentals and things like that. I'm not looking at the day-to-day. I'll just keep selling my calls weekly, sell some puts. I don't mind holding Lemonade for 2 or 3 years. So that's how I feel about the company. And that's how I do all that options with all of them. It's only with companies that I don't mind holding. So if it's, I was in Lemonade at like 30, went up to 38. It then came down to 26 and then went back up to 35. And I just play the swings and always keep a piece. Yeah, Amelia. Yeah. All right, I'm shutting the ducks off in 10 seconds. If you didn't do it now. Yeah. So Lemonade, I always look. I showed you what I look at, right? With the revenues and shit. I brought that up on the stream. Have you seen it, Josh, before I do it again? Yeah. That's where I start all my screening. So I know that the companies are growing. That's probably where I get my bag from. And then once I have my bag, I'll then select. The other thing I look at is the PE ratio of companies and where they are today. Like Amazon's looking really good. Amazon's revenues, everything keeps going up, and Amazon share price is not going up. Oh, Dude, why is my phone like this? AI announcement? I think this is the last leg of this massive bull rally. Yeah, Josh, did you see that the hedge funds are at the highest exposure ever of shorts? They're building a massive short position right now. I'll see if I could hold on. This is my wife. Hold on. There was Yo, I'm back. Yo, what up, disciplines? What's crack-a-lacking for the Google? Yo, I just think the here, I'll show you the thing. Let me see if I can bring it up. I put it in my group chat this morning. Hedge funds have added $25 billion of short equity futures exposure. It's the largest increase, at least in the last decade. They are so fucking short right now. It's going to be interesting, though. If they're super short, I don't know. It's one way or another. Either it kind of squeezes them out and then it squeezes everybody out, or we're going to fucking dump. It could be a nasty squeeze. Super nasty squeeze. People don't realize that. Oh. Yo, what up, Marie? I just find it crazy how we were at 16,500 a couple weeks ago, and we're all the way back by almost all-time highs. Like, look at this shit. We were just here, and now we're here. You know, it's one thing if you're moving up slowly, like we did, from call it October to February. I mean, you were only really up 1,500 points this whole time. But this is insane. Insane. I would love to see it come back down to at least 20,000 or lower, but I don't know if we're going to get that. I don't know. At this point, I just feel like I can't start buying a bunch of positions where we're at. I'd rather sit on the sidelines and let it move around for a little bit and just make a little bit of money through the week than try to force it and I'm stuck up high with a bunch of equity. It might keep going, Josh. It could definitely keep going. I mean, that's what's crazy about the markets is it could always keep going. 1,000% we can just keep going. Marie, how are you doing today? Are you up a ton? Yo, disciplined. It was open twice already. I'll reopen it again at afternoon stream. That's the nuclear company, Josh, right? That's the smaller nuclear company. Yeah. I bet you their premiums are massive. Josh, look at this. You could sell options that are 10% out of the money that expire in 2 days and still collect 1% on your money. You could sell 3550s for like 37 cents. That's 10% out of the money and you still collect. Premiums are juiced. You're up 150 is good. Better than being down 150.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we're going to need... I don't know if this might not. This very slim chance this hits. Hold on. I need $1,300 and then 3,000. So it's $4,300 I need. All right, if that hits, I am funded in this account. I don't know if that's going to hit. That's freaking...
Order filled.
Oh, come on. Give me $100.
Order filled.
I need $100 to secure another day in here.
Order filled.
Let me see. I don't have my other chart up. That's why I'm very iffy about it. Dude, this is looking like a nice flag right here. If you look, man, it's just so fucking up already. All right. Oh, you want? All right. Hold on. I'll look right now, Josh. I'll look right now. Let me see. Let me see what we're working with. Yo, there's another one also, Josh. Look at this. I don't know if you know about this. I gotta bring it up on both. So it's not even being, for whatever reason. For whatever reason, it's not being shown on here. I'm not sure. But if you go to this site, you could see the trailing 12 months, the revenue's growing. Quarterly, it went down just a little bit, and growth went down a little bit, which is interesting because it's still a low value company for the growth to drop. I wonder what happened. I don't know what happened with wait, why does it say pay? Wait, hold on. What the fuck? I just want to make sure it's working right. No, look. Yeah. Bro. Does it not have data for OKLO? I don't think it has data for this company. How's that sound? No, it doesn't have data for this company. Either does TrendSpider. Interesting. OKLO. Neither one of them has it. It's weird. All right, let's be real. I need $65 here. How am I going to get $65? Actually, if I can get $65, I can get a payout. I can get a payout tomorrow in this account.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Give me that just bounce. Bounce it. I know I'm being a little greedy here. Give me $80. Give me $80. Woo! Come on. I'm right there.
Order filled.
All right. I just locked in another day. Tomorrow I can lock in a payout. Damn, Josh. You should have backed up the truck. Yo, later, Code. Yeah, I mean, if you have at least 100 shares, Josh, you can start writing calls against your position, writing puts. Like, you can do more things, but you need at least 100 shares to do it.
Order filled.
I'm holding. Yeah, I mean, analysts are analysts. I don't really follow analysts, but I do know that as AI grows, I think they're supposed to look more towards nuclear, and they're building these nuclear plants by the AI factories and whatnot. And that's why OKLO is attractive. If you didn't know the story kind of behind it. Put the kids to sleep. What time zone are you on, Del? I'll take that right before lunchtime, baby. All right, I'm jumping off. I got to go eat. If you want to support the stream, use the code below. I'll be back at 2:15. We'll do an account giveaway. I am staying in my my funded futures positions. I'm in 2 positions, basically both long. We'll see what happens. All right. Peace.